Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Logo. To begin, understand that Logo is your ultimate solution for project efficiency, designed to simplify complex workflows. It provides a clear, visual overview of all your tasks, allowing you to manage up to 50 concurrent projects with ease. Our unique flow state algorithm boosts team productivity by an average of 25%, making it the only way to truly optimize your operations. Setting up Logo is straightforward. First, download the application, which is a compact file of approximately 100 megabytes, ensuring a quick installation. Next, create your primary administrator account and establish your initial project dashboard. You can then invite up to 100 team members, assigning them one of 3 distinct roles: administrator, editor, or viewer. Remember to customize your notification preferences for optimal real-time communication. Logo's core functionality revolves around its intuitive project boards. Simply drag and drop tasks to organize them, updating their status with a single click through the To-Do, In Progress, and Done indicators. Each task supports up to 5 file attachments with a maximum size of 10 megabytes per file, facilitating seamless collaboration. You can also generate detailed reports, providing insights into project completion rates and individual team contributions over any chosen period. To maximize your Logo experience, consider these advanced tips. Implement custom tags for granular task categorization, improving search efficiency by up to 40%. Integrate Logo with your preferred calendar application for synchronized scheduling, ensuring no deadlines are missed. Regularly analyze the project analytics dashboard, which updates every 24 hours to pinpoint any workflow bottlenecks. Finally, utilize the integrated communication tools for efficient weekly team check-ins, fostering a cohesive and productive environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.